Let's draw a cool beetle today. It's so easy. Step 1. Draw a long oval for the body. Draw a line for the face, and then draw a big letter Y inside the body. Draw 2 little dots for eyes and a happy smile. Time for horns. Draw 2 shapes like crab claws. Let's add 6 legs. Draw small circles for hands first, then connect them with lines. For the last 2, make them bend like a knee. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.